coverage of the deadly earthquake in Haiti continues.
For many trapped in the rubble of downtown Port-au-Prince, the struggle to live continues. We've heard there may be somebody who's alive, buried in there. People on the street say there's a 15-year-old who's buried alive there and that they're talking. But we're going to go and try and see if that's the case and if there's anything we can do. But I mean, the street, I've never seen anything like this. Look at this. It is just complete devastation. This is down. His brother can do nothing, but just stands by, listening to his sister's cries. This man says his father is also trapped in the building, but is already dead. I don't have a father anymore, he cries. Gone. Had I been in the house, I wouldn't be here anymore either. Worried more aftershocks may come and destroy the building even more, B's family and friends work frantically.